Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 12 David Crescent in Christie Downs. I've got a beautifully renovated property, completely redone from top to bottom. New flooring, new kitchen, new bathrooms, painted roof, new landscaping. It's absolutely to die for. So if you're looking for that low maintenance property that's all done for you, this is definitely the one. Let's jump inside and have a good look around. So there you have it. This property is absolutely stunning, and if you've been looking for a while, you'll know that these properties just don't come up that often, especially in the price range that this one's at. You've got so much value here with the big double carport, the access to the side yard, and everything done from top to bottom. It's the perfect first home buyer or investor property. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see you in an open soon.